The overall goal of this project was to take care of the issues that they found with PCBs in the air in the building. And the elevated levels of air in the building were above the state regulation. So it was determined the best part of the project would be to take the building down and build a new one over time. We had asbestos, 8 metals, PCBs, caulking, roofing, all kinds of stuff that were commingled within the building. And we needed to remediate those with the commingled asbestos as one operation before we could get into some of the other operations within the building and before we could take the building down. Typically, you can remediate a building, take areas out, take caulking out, take flooring out, take mastics out, and then reuse the superstructure. This building had more contamination than it was allowed in the air, which means they couldn't meet the quality standards to put kids back in it. All the material had to go out as a hazardous waste. I'd have to say one of the largest project challenges that we had on this particular site is that almost all of the soil on the 6 acres here was going out as remediation waste.
Runoff issues because it's 60 feet of elevation here from the road to the top of the hill.
We were working from the bottom up, so we had a lot of SWIP plans and a lot of erosion control plans that we had to implement so we didn't wash it down into the lake.
We probably have 6 large excavators on site, 380 Volvos, 490s, Komatsus, special attachments to take on and off as we need them as the guys are demoing the structure.
And we had to demolish the building within the footprint of the foundation so that we did not cross-contaminate any of the soils outside of the building. And we had 21,000 tons of material that we took down from a 5-story building onto just the foundation slab, taking this building down in a controlled fashion quickly and staying within the footprint, not going outside of the footprint of the building with excavators. So we did the demolition from interior to the building and munched at it from both directions and sides, north, south, east, and west, and had to build the haul road to get everything through. Some of the bigger project successes we had was collaboration with the school, with the industrial hygiene firm, and with the contractor that was coming in to rebuild the site, and the coordination where we put all our haul roads in, where we put our wastewater treatment systems in, where we put our wash-off pads for the trucks. And we coordinated the site so we could all use the site at the same time. We had 9 excavators on one site processing and loading out to try and meet the schedule, which was a challenge at best to have that much equipment operating on one slab in there. But that was the only way that we could load enough trucks and do the turns a day with almost 400 trucks going out in 15 days. It was quite a challenge, but I think we were going to accomplish that.